A netizen created a post titled, aespa Karina's face on the electronic display in real time. OP shared this photo. Netizens commented, "Her hair is like that, but what's with the vibe? She's totally my girl. I want to see Karina too. She looks like the princess of a ruined country. Even the wind is helping." If you look at Karina's photos, she really looks 2D. Her proportions are really good too. Honey, hide your beauty. Is she filming a movie by herself? It's crazy. Honey, when are you coming home? Sigh. I know she exists, but I can't believe her existence. Even that flowing hair is like art. She looks like the female lead of a chivalrous novel. Many countries are fighting because of that one girl. Wah, how is she so pretty? She's just beautiful.